Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we'll be able to generate a QR code for your form in ChatGPT. For this, what we're going to have to do is very simple. First of all, logically, we're going to have to enter the ChatGPT application. Once we're here, we're going to wait for the application to load, and we're going to have to head toward what is the option to open the sidebar. Within the sidebar, we're going to go to what is the apps section. In apps, we'll be able to observe the following. In this case, this section is going to open up, in which we'll be able to observe various types of applications that have a connection with what is ChatGPT. We're going to be interested in the Jotform application. This is an application that's going to allow us to create any type of form or survey. We're going to hit connect. And the next thing we're going to have to do is click on sign in with application. This way it's going to send us to another new little tab where we're simply going to have to sign in with Google, Gmail, Microsoft, Apple, or Salesforce. Once we've signed in, the only thing we're going to have to do is click on this option to start the chat. We're going to click here, and as you can see, it sends us directly to what is the use of the Jotform application. So in this case, as you can see, we're going to ask for something pretty simple. I need a form to collect the data of students from an institution, and we're going to hit send. This way, what's going to happen is that the ChatGPT application is going to work together with Jotform, and we're going to be able to wait for what is a result, in which the application is going to generate the form within the AI. We're simply going to have to hit allow all on what is this data. And logically, we're going to have to wait a few seconds or a few minutes until having it totally done. We'll be able to observe that this would be the main result. And to be able to share it, we're going to click on edit in Jotform. A new little tab is going to open up with the form we've created, and we're going to head to what is the publish section. We're going to leave this here and we're going to go to publish. As I was telling you, we're going to hit sharing options and we choose, in this case, the QR code. Here, we simply take a screenshot or we download what would be the QR and we send it to our students or to the people we want to share this form with. Or simply by copying this link, it's automatically going to redirect us to what would be our form. As you can see, it's something pretty easy to do, and it captures what is the Spanish language. And, well, that would be everything.